everybody, Iceman50 here, going downtown Batavia. Gotta get some quarters for laundry, but yeah, it's Halloween. Oh, it's still a bit nipply. So we're gonna rip down here and grab some quarters. You know, I don't know if you guys ever had to do this, but you know, the banks are closed on Sunday, so you know, we got let's see here. So I don't know if you guys have to do this, but we got washers at our apartment, and you know, if you don't have quarters, then what are you gonna do, right? So we'll go down to the laundromat, and you know, they got a change machine there, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Oh man. Whew. Sucks when your mirror gets messed with, and then you keep messing with it. 5-0. Keep rolling. Man, definitely need another jacket or something over this, even though I got my sweatshirt on, and oh man. Hey, nice. I wasn't sure I was going to see someone else riding, but there they are. Let's get some quarters. Okay. It's like the slots. You guys anybody remembers playing with actual tokens in slot machines? That's pretty much what it was like, right? I was like, I used to work for a company called Coin Mechanisms, and actually made the mechanisms for slot machines, which is pretty cool. And I used to be able to play with all the different coins from all the different places. They had this thing called a smart mark on it, and the coins had like concentric rings and all sorts of stuff. It was pretty cool. So let's get out of here. It's a GTFO. This thing is so tiny. All right. Now we'll rip it back home. Yeah, I think this thing could definitely, it could use a tune. Although it seems like, you know, it's more rich, which I don't know. It could use a tune. Man, I tell you, look, they're hiding all over the fucking place, buddy. Shit, it's cold. As long as he doesn't move. Got some dirt on your Jeep. Get some shit on your Jeep. So, anyways, I was watching Musty One this morning. He was fixing up a little clapped out Chinese dirt bike. That was pretty cool. I mean, you know, hey. But, yeah, he was messing with the brakes on this thing, and, you know, I was thinking, I don't know, I'm going to take my daughter up to this place called Hello Tokyo. It's in Schaumburg. And they got all sorts of Japanese stuff there. I don't know. I think they're kind of like a Japanese dollar store or something like that. So we're going to head up there. But I was hoping to maybe try to get that reservoir cover off the Chinese scooter. I really would like to get those brakes working. We're running out of time today, but, you know, and overall. So, look at that big dog. Jesus. So anyways, yeah, I was thinking maybe I could try working on that today, but we'll see what happens. They're gonna go out trick-or-treating, and like I said, we want to get up to Hello Tokyo. It takes probably like 45 minutes to get up there, I'm thinking. It's near my buddy's house. So, but if I have some time, I'll throw on the Osmo action camera, and we'll see if we can get that front brake working. We're just it's another, I'm just trying to ride the bike as many times as I can. Woo! Man, this cold will go right through you. I'm just trying to ride as many more times as I can before I gotta put this thing away. And today was a bust for taking it over to my buddy's house. He's busy, he's got things to do, and you know, they got Halloween and all that, so. But yeah, sometime this week we're gonna have to this thing over to my buddy's house. So, but yeah, I hope everybody has a safe and happy Halloween, and don't drink too much, don't eat too much candy, you know, all that stuff. Or if you are going to do all that, at least be at home. Then drink too much and eat too much candy. So, but man, we got some big potholes opening up here. And they just redid this parking lot too. Oh, fuck. kind of like yesterday, you know, you need a little bit of sunlight to warm you up. Okay. All right, everybody. All right, well, we're gonna go. We'll see you in the next one. All right. Easy.